Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to make a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. Many of you don't know that, but it's very important when you work on your BMW and to preserve your electronics and not to cause your damage to the electronics, electrical system, computers, modules guys. It really matters which battery terminal you connect and disconnect first, okay, so you can minimize the opportunity for something terribly bad to happen guys. So what we'll be doing today, we'll show you guys which battery terminal you need to disconnect first and which battery terminal you need to reconnect first when you're disconnecting or reconnecting your battery. So make sure you stay until the end and we're going to show you guys how to do that. We'll demonstrate on 3 Series BMW, but practically it's the same for all BMWs. That way it will minimize guys the cause, okay, for something terrible to happen, to burn electronics, to burn engine models, because we actually did that in the past and we had to replace engine computer because we didn't do it the right way, and we want to share our experience and teach you how to do it guys, based on our mistake that cost us a few $1,000s. So now before we start, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. So let's start on it now. So, on some BMWs the car battery may be located under the hood. In our case it's not guys, it's located in the trunk. Most of the US specs BMW, they will be in the trunk. Now it really depends on the model and stuff like that, where exactly it's located, but it will be under that cover here or under on that cover on the side guys. So, now, very important how you disconnect it. Guys, this is crucial because that battery is actually part of the airbag system too. The first terminal that you need to disconnect always on BMW guys, okay, and pretty much any newer car, it's the negative terminal. Okay, negative terminal will be the first one to, okay, to actually disconnect. Okay, we got it loose. This is the negative terminal. So, okay, it's disconnected. Now it's very important to, okay, put something on the battery terminal so it cannot contact. And the second terminal that you disconnect guys, okay, is the positive terminal. Always do the negative first, then the positive guys. That way you can minimize the chance for something bad to happen and burn your car electronics. So this is the positive terminal. Again, if you're working on your vehicle or something, put something on the terminal there guys. Now what do we do when you reconnect it? Okay, pretty simple guys. You go in reverse order. The first one to reconnect is the positive one guys. Okay, the positive. And when you grab that terminal, okay, never hold for the wires or anything like that, simply because, okay, you have multiple airbag sensors. Okay, for instance, this is a positive wire here with a sensor. BMW, what it does on right here, okay, it's going to kick that wire out if the car is in a crash, so it can avoid catching the car on fire. The second terminal that you connect is the negative terminal. So how we do it? You disconnect the negative, then the positive, and you reconnect the positive and the negative second guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.